Hi everybody, this is Hans with ListingsMagic, and this is an updated video. We did a webinar earlier today on how to incorporate and record what we are calling our virtual open house video tool. And so I'll show you how to actually do it. It's going to be fast, easy, and professional. And so this is obviously in response to what's going on out there in the marketplace. You know, rather than sit back, as soon as we started to see that the markets are going to be impacted by the ongoing developments with regards to coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. And so we went hard to work and have created a new tool for you guys that we think is going to really help you out. Look, people are still needing to buy and sell houses. Things are definitely changed, but this is still, a market where I just saw a number of houses go on the market here recently. And so this fear and panic will subside, and we'll get back to some sense of normalcy. But this tool will be something that we can use to offset the people that are a little bit concerned about going and doing it or physically visiting a house in person, and they get a much better sense of what the house looks like. And it just shows your sellers the proactive nature of what you're willing to do as an agent. To me, sitting back and just doing nothing in terms of your proactive approach to how to handle the situation is not going to help you grow your business. Something like this is going to help you grow your business. So this is for agents that want to kind of tackle this, rather than be proactive rather than react to it. So anyway, so let's take a look at what the actual end product looks like. I recorded a video open house for this property here a little while ago, and you'll get to see what it looks like. So this would be any property that you do this for, anywhere that it's going to be open from, Zillow, Truly, or Realtor.com, any of the thousands of IDX websites that are out there. They will have this video play in the beginning of the tour. So it's going to be the first thing that somebody sees once they click on it.
So doing a quick video walkthrough, just like you would for
We're calling out for the
standard
person
video,
watching it. If they want to watch it
all
on
you
screen,
have to
they
do
can
is
do so.
focus on the highlights, vaulted ceilings, things of that nature. Obviously,
you get the idea.
focus on things.
So this is the video walkthrough, and
updated kitchen,
tour. And if they want
cats,
to close this out
so much.
and go and watch the rest of the tour, I'm competing with the audio here, they can do that as well. And so that is how it works. It is only available in the Elegant Tour, just so you know. And how you're going to access that is you just go to Manage Properties, choose your listing from the drop-down, and we've made it very easy to find. It's the very first option that you'll see in the publishing, syndication, print options. It's just the very first option we put it there, so it's easy to find. And so you click on Add Video, and most of you are going to want to do this from your phone. If you're on an iPad, no problem. You can do it direct from camera here. If you've got a file already on your device that you're on, you can upload a file from that device. Or if you want to do this from your phone, which is what I'm going to do now, you simply send a text to your phone, and I'll show you how that works and what that looks like. So I'm going to wait for my phone to respond with a new text. So I just got a new text. I'll try and show this to you. I don't know if it's working or not. I don't see the video on my screen, so I can't really tell. But you simply click on that link, and it's going to show you a similar screen to what we saw before. Record from camera or upload a file. Don't do record from camera because that's a front-facing video. That's if you're wanting to do a selfie video. What you want to do is upload a file. Once you click on that, it's going to give you camera video option here in the select option. So you'll choose that, and now you can record. I'll just do a quick small video in the room I'm in here. And once you're done, you'll have the opportunity to re-record it if you're not happy with it, or just go ahead and submit it. Once you submit it, it'll show you a screen that it's uploading to our servers, and it'll take a little bit of time depending on how big this is. So we don't recommend you do anything more than 5-10 minutes tops in these. People's attention spans are not that long. So show the highlights, get to the good stuff, and don't make these too long. You do have up to 15 minutes of recording time, by the way. And so it's uploading. Once it's done, this screen will refresh. So it's almost done, and once it's done publishing, you see this screen refreshed here on this end, and you are good to go with your video. You can close this box down now, and that video has now been added to your property virtual tour. And again, you can take a look at it by clicking on the View Elegant Tour. There was another option. I should have showed you that in here. that you can have the video active. It's going to be active by default, and you want it to start on load. Some browsers will not let videos start on load, and then you can also view the tour from this box as well before you close it down. So you can take a look. If you're not happy with it, you notice something you didn't like, you can always re-record this. No limit to how many you can do. And so again, the idea is that you guys now have the ability to do a full video walkthrough of your properties, a great way to stand out from your competition, a great way to show your sellers what kind of initiative you're taking to continue to market their house in a challenging time and period right now, until we get back on track and don't need this type of tool. Although I still think it's a great idea in any kind of market. Anyhow, if you have any questions about this, reach out to us at support@listingsmagic.com, and we will talk to you soon. Stay safe.